Carpet, no worries. The mops lift automatically when the robot detects carpeted areas, keeping them dry and untouched. The auto lift mechanism raises the mops by 10 millimeters, perfect for transitioning between hard floors and rugs without a hitch. For edge cleaning, the robot is equipped with dual side brushes and an extended OZMO roller mop system. This combo gets right into corners and baseboards, leaving no dust behind. One thing I love, especially as a pet owner, is the Zero Tangle roller brush.
You just got your top 5 fix. Now hit subscribe, save it, and binge the channel. Trust me, you'll want to stick around.